In this guide, we'll show you how to register your new vehicle quickly and easily using the RTA website. Open the RTA website, tap on Apply for registering a new vehicle. Review the required documents, and tap Apply Now to begin. Select whether you are registering as an individual or a company. If you are registering as an individual, choose a verification method such as Emirates ID or driving license, etc. Enter your Emirates ID number and date, or sign in with UAE Pass or your RTA account. Check your mobile for the OTP. Enter it and press Next to continue. Choose Register New Vehicle and tap Continue. Select the ownership source, Import Certificate or Transfer Export Certificate. Then, choose the import source, Dubai Customs or other Emirate Customs. Input your vehicle's chassis number and press Continue. Fill in the certificate details and upload the required documents, including the Emirates Import Certificate VCC and the GCC Specification Certificate. Verify the entered information and review any due payments, including fines. Your documents will be reviewed and you will be notified via SMS or email within 24 hours. Once your verification, inspection, and insurance status are validated, press Continue. Select or purchase a new plate number, then tap Continue. Choose how you'd like to receive your number plate, collect from a service center, or have it delivered by courier. If selecting a service center, choose your preferred location. Check your details, accept the terms and conditions, and sign in with UAE Pass to verify and complete the transaction. A request will be sent to UAE Pass. Select the displayed number and confirm the login. Review the due fees and press Pay Now to complete the transaction. Your vehicle is now registered. Download your payment receipt and collect your plate number to receive your license card. To track your application status, select Click Here. You can also view the service center's working hours to collect your plate. Congratulations! Your vehicle is successfully registered. Download your digital registration card now. For further details, visit the official RTA website and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful guides. RTA is your trusted partner for all vehicle services. Thank you for choosing RTA.